Nou is die middelmannetjie toe, weg. Die water styg nog al die pad. Hy het seker nou 3 meter gestyg in 'n halfuur op die walle.
Ja, hierso is van ons paaie en dis wat die seerste maak. Ons het hierdie paaie die laaste 3 jaar so mooi opgebou en in stand gehou met ons eie skrapers in. Weer soos dit was gekry en dan gebeur hierdie. Dit is die seerste op die oomblik. Soos ek sê, daar is nie 'n government wat ons help nie. Ons moet dit oes afval van die lande af. Ons moet oor die paaie kry. En ons paaie is tot niet. So nou moet ons eers paaie weer herstel op eie kostes en goed. Voor ons kan dink om 'n oes te skuif. Hier loop hy. Van Alvana Kroonplaas se kant toe. Hier paaie weggespoel. Kom hulle hier die Mililana uit.
Good morning. What a hub of activity here at Scotland Beach this morning.
20 minutes, and if you're due for the next boat ride, please make sure you make your way down to the beach when that boat arrives. But for now, keep an eye out for the Dash for Cash.
Yep, so I've just heard there's a Dash for Cash event where some lifesavers swim out to backline, and on the start they sprint inwards or swim as fast as they can, body surf, run, whatever they can. And the first one to reach that white bucky that's over there and climb into the back of the bucky wins the cash prize. So lots of excitement at the beach this morning, and I will keep you updated. We're about to start a surfing competition as well in less than an hour. I think it kicks off at 1 o'clock. So if you're not doing anything, come down. Scotland Beach is pumping.
Goeiemôre almal, dit is nou so 7 uur hier by Boudenbrug, reg het noord van Hotel. Na aanleiding van gister se video wil ek net gisternamiddag se video wil ek net vir julle hierdie ook aanstuur. Daar sal julle sien is die bord, dit is die pad na Kalahari Erfenis. Daar is die bord wat ingeplant is vir die Rooiduin roete, waar hy gister nog heel wat uitgesteek het, steek hy vanoggend omtrent niks uit nie. Al wat jy kan sien is Kuruman rivier, wat op die bord geskryf is. Om net vir julle so aanduiding te gee, daar in die middel, hierdie draad wat julle hier sien loop, is 1,5 meter draad. So daar in die middel is hierdie rivier nou omtrent 3 meter diep. En hy vloei baie, baie sterk. Hier's massas water wat hier deurkom. So ja, hy is definitief sterk op pad van Selsrus toe.
Juba Pass. Isn't this majestic? Yeah. Used to travel this road so many times as a youngster. And then they eventually tarred it properly, and it is what it is today. As a teenager or early young adult, I would hurtle down this path. Really is pleasant. But now, a little different. Towing the Madala van, being a Madala, having an old Madala next to me. We're going down at about 20 k's an hour. My word, how things have changed. But look at these views out over Natal. Oh man, isn't that stunning? Yeah. The old road used to run down below here. Really pleasant drive. Great weather. Nice to be reminiscing about back in the day when we used to do this every second weekend almost. Came through here once when it was snowing. Wow, it was absolutely fantastic. Just a little bit more. Dropping in altitude quite quickly now, down into the Natal, northern Natal area. Another little forgotten town along the way. Forgotten about Perdekop. But here we are in Perdekop. Not much happens here. There's a hotel, There's the hotel down there. And here's the middle of town, I think. There's quite a nice looking church here. Got absolutely no idea what happens there. There's the church. Can't see it behind the tree. Yeah, also another long lost, forgotten little town along the way. Hey, these must have been beautiful little towns in their day. That's Paddockup. What used to be Paddockup Supermarket